How to detect spy camera with your mobile. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, you can do by using phone camera to detect light. Switch on your phone camera, draw the curtains, and switch off the lights. The room should be dark in order for the phone camera to detect the light. After that, you can point the camera in the direction where you think the spy cameras are installed. If you spot a red light which may or may not be blinking, inspect the areas. You can also download apps on Android like Hidden Camera Detector, Detectify, Hidden IR Camera Detector, Hidden Devices Detector. For Apple users, you can download Hidden Camera Finder, Hidden Spy Camera Finder Pro, Hidden Camera Spy Detector, Electronic Device Detector, and Electromagnetic Detector EMF. And that's how you detect spy camera with your mobile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.